Beforepay is known for its simple, clear fee structure, a flat 5% on the amount you advance. This transparency is a core part of their business model, setting them apart in the short-term financing space. But how exactly does a flat 5% fee work to sustain a company? The fee is a one-time transaction cost applied to each pay advance. For example, if you advance $200, the fee is a straight $10, making the total repayment $210. This is a deliberate move to avoid the complexity and negative perception of interest rates, late fees, or hidden charges often associated with payday loans or other short-term credit options. This simplicity is a major selling point, building trust and encouraging repeat use among customers who value straightforward costs. Beforepay leverages sophisticated technology, particularly machine learning and proprietary algorithms, to manage risk. By securely analyzing a user's bank transactions, income history, and spending patterns, the app determines an appropriate cash-out limit and calculates the likelihood of successful repayment. This rigorous automated assessment means they are primarily advancing funds to reliable, salaried individuals, which keeps their default rates manageable. Lower default rates mean the company can operate profitably on a smaller margin per transaction. Crucially, the entire process is automated through the app, from verification to the instant transfer of funds and the automatic deduction of the repayment on the user's next payday. This high level of automation drastically reduces operational costs, such as the need for extensive manual underwriting or collections departments. The efficiency gained from this automated, high-volume, low-margin model allows the flat 5% fee to cover the cost of the advance, the technology platform, and generate profit. Ultimately, Beforepay's business thrives not by charging high fees or interest, but by being an efficient, high-volume service that appeals to customers seeking quick, small advances with transparent, fixed costs. The flat 5% fee is the revenue engine that is highly effective due to smart, automated risk management and minimal overhead.